We know that lighting can affect our well-being. It can mean the difference between a place you enjoy working at to a place you just can't wait to leave. My name is Michael Gonzalez from LSW Lighting, and today we're going to talk about a completely wireless control system called Interact Pro. The Interact brand is by Signify, and if you're not familiar with Signify, they are the same company that brought you the world's most popular wireless control system for home, Philips Hue. This is Nick, owner of a medium-sized company. He wants to modernize the outdated lighting system in his building. He knows that now with connected lighting, employees can adjust their light individually, creating a more pleasant and improved working environment. But aren't complex lighting control and building management systems expensive and time-consuming to install? Is there an alternative? Yes, there is. Interact Pro. The software works with Interact-ready lamps and luminaires and makes connected lighting simple. You can control your lighting by the dashboard and app. Installation is a breeze, as this is a completely wireless system. You just need line voltage to the luminaires. No extra wiring is needed. Nick is convinced and places an order for installation. The install will be completed in 5 easy steps. They replace the conventional lamps and luminaires in the office, warehouse, and parking garage with Signify's Interact-ready products. They're equipped with radio modules using the wireless Zigbee standard, and if needed, they can attach wireless motion and daylight sensors that allow for the automation of light. The central element is the gateway. That connects light points as well as the app and dashboard. Afterwards, they download the app, register the light points and sensors, and configure the lighting. Done. Nick thinks, wow, that was easy. Why didn't I do this before? Now we have optimal lighting, whether in the office, warehouse, or in the parking garage. Nick and his employees are thrilled. Through the Interact Pro dashboard, Nick can control the entire lighting concept and has access to extensive data with restricted access based on the user role. His employees can control the lighting at their office space individually. And thanks to efficient technology, Nick's payback could be as low as a year. Interact Pro is scalable by adding additional gateways. So as Nick's business grows, so can Interact. Would you like to learn more? Well, the Interact Gateway connects to cloud services, enabling you access to the luminaires with 3 different user types. And you can control your lighting from anywhere in the world. Light discovery is automatic. Configure them with just a few clicks. It's very easy to do. And we can see how much energy your office consumes with an energy dashboard, whether it's over the year or you can take a look at months or days. Access your projects easily and have access to that location by clicking on it. From your dashboard, you can see current health status for all of your lighting. See if you have a failed device or if you need to replace one soon. And you can easily create custom schedules. Maybe you want your lights set to a scene at midnight during the week, or set a scene while you're working. Scenes can control multiple lights at different light levels. Now, there's a number of products that are available. You can add a wireless kinetic wall switch. It's batteryless. There's no battery, so you never need to worry about changing it. Here are a few luminaires that you can choose from. And if you need help choosing the right product, please contact me. I would love to help. My name is Michael Gonzalez from LSW Lighting. Thank you for your time again.